Hi, it's Tom here from Roywood Transits. In front of us on for sale today, here we have a Ford Transit Custom Limited Series 290 130 PS 6-speed manual gearbox, covered just under 20,000 miles, excellent condition inside and out, deep impact blue, nice rare colour, and sitting on a 67 plate, so comes with Roywood Transit 6 months no quibble warranty. As is the limited series, very well spec'd inside and out, so 16-inch alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors. This van has been fitted with 2 hook locks, one on the side loading door and one for the barn doors. Rear view camera alongside the rear parking sensors. Second row sliding window and Flettner on top, so good ventilation in the back. Upgraded driver's security door lock, power folding door mirrors, heated windscreen, automatic headlights with daytime running, cornering fogs, plus plenty more. So L1H1 means we get, well, L1 means we get just over 2.5 meters of load length along the easy clean floor. Various tie downs. You can see the second row sliding window. Full width steel bulkhead with load through compartment, which can be accessed underneath the passenger seat, giving you that extra load length. And the rear barn doors can be locked in the 90-degree position. Just push this bar in and they also open up 180 degrees. And now into the cab. So heavy duty rubber floor mats included, leather trim steering wheel and gear stick, an entertainment system. I'll go into more detail in just a second. So dual passenger seat, underneath storage we've seen, and fold down table. 8-way adjustment on the driving seat, including armrest and lumbar support. Electric windows, electric power foldable and adjustable door mirrors. Automatic headlights with cornering fogs. Voice activation and audible messaging when you've got your phone connected. Automatic rain sensing wipers. And cruise control with adjustable speed limiter. And then whilst we're here, just confirm the mileage, and also this is the digital speedo. So 130 PS, 6-speed manual, so 3 pedals. Then just over here we have the manual air conditioning, FM, AM, DAB radio. You can connect your phone through through USB or Bluetooth CD player, and the Ford vehicle will then play your Spotify, your Google Maps navigation through the sound system. Again, it will read out your WhatsApp messages, quite good connectivity. And up here is your LCD display, which also shows your front and rear parking sensors. So in conclusion, and for sale today, here we have a very well equipped van, 290 130 PS L1H1, sitting on a 67 plate, covered just under 20,000 miles, heated windscreen, cruise control, speed limiter, heated seats, 2 additional hook locks, a rear parking camera, deep impact blue. If you have any questions or would like to organise a viewing, please give us a call on 0118 9790 060. Thank you for watching.